Hi everyone, I'm the CMO of Aster, which is a privacy-first end-to-end encrypted email client, and today I'll be giving a quick rundown of the inbox basics going from composing, replying, folders, labels, search, and how the encryption indicators show which messages are end-to-end encrypted. So to start with the composition, of course, the compose button is at the top left, and on this dropdown, you can choose a different email address, or you can choose one of your aliases, or one of your ghost aliases, which is something like a temp mail, and you have all your typical formatting options down here. Of course, you can open multiple of these composition tabs, minimize them, full screen them, or you can just move them around your screen to fit whatever need you want. Of course, if we start typing something here and then we close this, it will pop up in our drafts right here. Of course, you also have responses. So let's respond to this email here. You can once again choose which address to respond with. And once you do, you can write in your response. The same formatting options are available down at this bottom bar. You can also show the quoted text or hide it. It's hidden by default. And of course, you can do a self-destruct or a schedule to send option. Of course, you can also go full screen and type out your email here, or you can open up drafts because these replies also save. Next up is folders and labels. Let's go ahead and just make a folder. Let's just call it system. We can put in our automatic email here. So you can either click and drag, or you can click on the email itself, then you click on the three dots on it and you move it to the folder that you want it. And now it is gone from our main inbox. And if you go check out our folder, boom, it's right there. Next up, you also have labels. So let me go ahead and create a label. We'll call it receipts. We'll make it green. Is there a cash icon? Yep, there you go. Now we have our little receipts label. And for example, this is a payment confirmation with a little PDF. So we want to make sure to save this for our own record. So I'm just going to drag it in. And now, as you can see, it does have that receipts label. And let's make another folder. We'll also call it finance. Make it a different green. And I don't want this in my main inbox. I want it nice and clean. So we'll go ahead and move it into that finance folder. And now it is labeled and sorted in a folder. Now for something you may be more interested in, which is the encryption indicator. So if you go to any email on Aster, it doesn't really matter, but let's just go to this one. Next to the title, you will see this blue lock. So if you hover over it and click it, you will see end-to-end encrypted. Only you and the sender can read this, and it states the encryption method. As long as you see this blue lock, that means that email is encrypted. Hopefully that clears up some of the surface level features of Aster. And if you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord in the description or leave a comment below.